Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the presentation you intend to convert. Once the file is open, click File and choose Page Setup so you can control dimensions. Make sure to select Custom from the drop-down. This reveals width and height fields. You do this because the default is widescreen. Changing to Custom lets you swap dimensions and create a portrait layout. Enter the new values now so the slide frame will flip from landscape to portrait for the entire deck. Now you swap the numbers. Enter the taller dimension in the height field and the shorter in the width field, for example 8.5 by 11 inches. Choose units that match your output. Use inches for print or cm for metric printing, because scaling depends on that choice. Once done, click Apply to update every slide. This converts slide canvases to portrait, and you'll see content shift. You will reposition and resize elements to fit the new vertical layout. After the layout changes, go through slides and adjust text boxes, images, and shapes so nothing is cut off. You want clear margins and balanced composition. If many slides need the same fix, open Slide Master to update a template and apply it across the deck. If something goes wrong, content overlapping or incorrect sizing, undo and reapply custom dimensions, or copy complex content into a newly created portrait slide. This ensures consistency and saves time when finalizing the presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.